Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's Jamie, and welcome to the channel Thrift-Onfire, and welcome back to garage sale season. Winter is finally over. Spring barely came, but we are now in the time of the year where, in my area here in Ontario, garage sale season has finally arrived. So we got out Saturday morning. My time was limited, but I did find some good stuff. So let's jump into the video.
I didn't understand you there.
You fill these up, right?
Yeah. There's a.
You never used it or didn't like this one?
No, I did, but we were gifted another one.
Oh, I see.
Oh, there you go. And
So you refill those, right?
Yeah, you just take the two, you take the cap off and you just turn it upside down and it fills it up. And
okay.
then you can see the level in here.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, what do you want for that guy?
I don't know, $10?
Yeah, sure. I'll try it out.
Are you a photographer?
No, I have
I was gonna say, because this is an actual photo printer.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
we actually do have a wide format printer,
nice.
like a huge printer. I can make posters and stuff.
Oh, nice.
But no, I think this would be really cool to play around with.
You get all this. Here's extra ink.
Awesome.
I'll take the bottles. I can handle those.
The bottles for your, yeah, you're good.
And how much are you renting?
Thank you. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day. I just want to go that way.
Oh, it is a creepy baby.
My grandson asked me to sell that. My daughter's going to be mad at me, but
Well, I think I have to have them.
Yeah.
okay, please do.
Yeah, I love them. Thank you.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, my grandson's 6 years old. And
Oh yeah, he's just not
his
having
dad
it.
chases him around with it.
And he's like, get rid of it.
Yeah.
No, I'll take a creepy baby.
All right.
Because I thought outdoor. Outdoor. I thought it was.
Oh yeah, like an old Kenwood one. Oh, cool.
Shirt for you.
Maybe.
It's picking up. Thanks.
I see the wind picking up.
Oh, is it blowing things on the street? Yeah, that goes. I believe this goes in here.
Yeah.
It goes here for like movies and stuff like that.
Oh, this does?
Yeah, this goes.
Oh,
Yeah. So this,
interesting.
yeah. It's a part of this.
Okay. How much do you want for the receiver? Or do you want to sell it all together? Or?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
I have no idea. Really.
Me neither.
I don't know, 25? Mom, is that yours or True? Is that
Okay.
yours?
So,
Yeah?
yeah.
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah.
How much is it?
I'm sorry? How much?
How much?
$5. It's cute.
How about $3?
Okay, sure.
Does the record player work too?
Just a needle.
It needs a needle?
Just a needle.
Okay. I'll take this though. I'll probably will leave the record player if it needs a needle.
Yeah, just a needle.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, cool. Okay. I'll look in a minute.
What are we doing?
Oh, to get a workout in today anyway.
Yeah, try. Oh, I just understood.
Oh, I see. It's tangled up with the.
Yeah. 30. It's 30. Nope. There you go.
Thank you,
You're welcome.
Amanda. Will you open my hatchback, and then I'll come back and look at your books. There we go. It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Let's see these.
So
Oh,
these are programs,
yeah.
but all from like 2015, 2016 that I definitely want. Those ones are a little newer. But this is super cool.
Is it all the ballparks?
So if you like open it up, it's past and present, so I don't think it's like super new.
Okay, Jacobs Field,
But
which
if you
is
like just
now
go to the first
progressive.
couple
Yeah.
pages, like one more. They break them down by era.
Oh, okay.
The classics, the moderns.
Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
like
really cool.
Nancy's in here, like 2001. So like, it's not like,
Royals. Yeah, this is cool.
yeah. But I think these are cool too.
Yeah.
There's other that I haven't. There's just like more classic.
Yeah.
Those just got sold.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's where I'm gonna buy it.
Wonder if they fit on her dresser.
No, I don't think so. Too bad though.
There's some hangers here.
Oh yeah.
This is such a deep fryer we need. We have a little fish fry. It's a nice one.
A barbecue. Charcoal grill. Because they want to go camping in the cabin, but they need a grill.
There's a Kate Spade.
In a cabin. But they need a like the ones that are
There's a little wallet. There's Kate Spade and a Dooney actually.
Wow.
Look, there's a coach. I feel like that's a pretty good deal. $10.
And she calls me all panicky because the flames are this hot. And this little barbecue, they got so much. Just find their umbrella.
I assumed you would, yeah.
Oh gosh. I'm like, well, get it.
It's
with
cute.
you.
I have the black one that matches this purse in
So
that
she's
size.
panicking. The flames are so good. I go, yeah, you gotta burn off the charcoal fluid. The starter fluid, right? And I say, how's that fluid? They just put it in.
It's really nice too.
I'm sure it's like cute like that.
Yeah, I'd probably get this one. I just don't really know enough about if they're real or not.
Oh, I think they are.
I think so too.
What is that one?
This is Coach.
Do you still sell on Posh?
Yeah, that's where they would
Yeah,
go.
that's where you should. That's where I buy my
And then,
Kate Spade normally.
you know, I don't think the Aldo one, but I think this Coach one is nice enough too.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they'll give us a deal if we buy all of them.
Maybe.
Let's see. All right, so got a bunch of purses and a couple wallets in here. Yeah.
The prices are on the side. Yeah, there is. 45.
Yep.
15. 45.
So would you do 20 on this one?
25?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's okay.
So what are we at then? 45, so 70?
Yeah.
Thank you.
60.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's like 20.
It's, yeah, figure it out. It's fine. Thank you very much.
Have a great day, you guys.
You
Thanks.
too, thanks. What do you want for your bookends there?
See this young lady here in the blue?
Oh, she bought them?
She would, no, she,
Oh.
she's the owner, so.
Oh, okay.
Give you an idea.
Oh, I was just wondering about the bookends here. How much you want to
10.
10?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't even see those. Those are super cool.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Cute, eh?
I was kind of looking at all this other stuff, so I thought my grandpa might like it.
Thank you.
They look like they're.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're not bad. I mean,
yeah.
for books, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, they're super cool.
It's a couple ornaments, so.
Flick, I gotta get Flick.
Okay.
For sure. What's that? Just Mickey?
It's porcelain though. It's not a.
Ooh, that's cool.
And then I think we probably.
I want that too. Princesses.
Do you want Mickey too or no? Just flick.
Probably just Flick. I mean, this one's cool too. I'm gonna get them both. I don't know if I have.
And they're all like different, whatever. Yeah, we have a Disney collectibles room, and so the tree is in one section with the ski slope, and the other side is our miniature Walt Disney room. It's got the monorail and it's got the resort.
Oh my god.
I do. I'm getting.
You getting that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You like the Florida Gators?
Somewhat.
We'll just make it 100.
Yeah. Oh, I think he's gonna pay though.
Oh, is he got? Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's got small bills. Oh, sorry.
I said an even 100 when you
So-
said 10. Just 10.
Just 10's okay? Oh.
Yeah. There you
Thank
go.
you.
Thank you so much. Do you want a little bag?
No, we're okay.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Well, thank
Do you
you.
have?
I haven't been drinking coffee. This French vanilla you made me is like, since we went out for breakfast, is the first coffee I've had.
I kind of like, we look up and he looks up and he knows that how bad it was and he's like, maybe not quite bad.
Usually the belts are screwed up in these or all corroded, but no. But this one's cool because you don't need headphones. You can just listen to it.
Oh, that's really awesome.
Wonder what's. Just ask what they want.
I think my hair's very decent price.
Yep. Oh. This is it's usually pretty good, but
Oh, this isn't the actual thing.
oh wow,
So,
$10. Okay.
it's actually like beats though.
Yeah. Want to slide that open and see if it's in there? It says so. I think it's just the wired ones, right?
I don't know. Yep.
Yeah, for sure. That's awesome.
You want these?
Yes. What do you want for this guy?
That I wasn't sure. Like, let's say $4.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you know if it works?
I don't.
You don't. Yeah.
It was just for school. Like
Yeah.
when I went to school, that's how we take notes.
Yeah.
I just found it in the, and just like, yeah.
It's just they can be fixed. Sometimes the belt inside of them because they're come apart. But
it was just in a box like from
Yeah.
school, so I'm 100% sure it works. It's
That's
just,
fine.
that's how we video recorded notes way back when, before anything like a computer existed. I can get to it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. The golf stuff over here. I don't so much want the clubs, but the Titleist bag. Are you selling that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. And what does Dad have on? Oh, Dad.
I didn't see a price on it,
Oh.
but
Dad.
Oh.
He's interested in just the bag, not the clubs of the Titleist. Because I said to him, I'm like, you want
yeah, sure. Oh, it does have the strap in there. I didn't even see that.
Yeah, it's,
Strap in there. And I don't know if there's other stuff in the pockets. I don't know if you want to pull it out of there. Or...
no, I think that's
Okay.
good. How much did I say? What did I say?
15, yeah. Yeah, it's just the one zipper.
Thanks very much.
Thank you. So one of the fun things about making videos like this for me is when I go back and I see things that I didn't pick up, or you know, overlooked while I was actually at the yard sale. A lot of times you're just sort of like scanning the tables, looking for things you recognize, especially when you're out early in the morning. Like I said, I think in the intro, I had limited time. I had to actually get home. I only had about an hour and a half to hit these garage sales. So I got out early, and I think I found some good stuff for only being out for an hour and a half. Record player, I didn't pick it up. I was thinking after, I just wrote down, so like it was Audio Research was the brand. I thought after I was thinking about it, there's a company called, I think, Acoustic Research that is pretty high-end stuff. I don't think that's what it was, but I got nervous after thinking about, oh geez, I hope I didn't miss that. But I don't know. Have you guys ever heard of Audio Research as a brand? I don't know what that is. Also, I think when I picked up some of the stuff like those plain bookends, I seen like a model on the table that was probably like a $20-$30 model, things like that. And then just like other things, like, you know, when you can scan the table, me sitting here editing the video, scanning the table, I see a lot more stuff than I do in the moment. It's just, you know, there's a lot going on, people around you talking. Sometimes you're worried that you're going to miss something. And it's just interesting to sit back and watch it as I'm editing some of these videos. The golf bag as well, you've seen at the very end. It's kind of cool. It's, you know, stuff like that for me. 15 bucks was maybe a little bit much for that. I think I can flip it into about 75 pretty easy. One of the zippers is not in the best condition, but overall the bag's not like super dirty or all ripped up. So I think 75 bucks is a pretty good local flip for that bag. I think the only thing I picked up on this particular Saturday that I didn't show you is these little figures. I can show you them right here. I just started marking them. They're little mini Funko figures. I picked up a whole bunch of them for $5, but I had my camera in the wrong mode at that sale, so paid $5 for all of these. I'm gonna ask $3 a piece. They are all Christmas, but they are mini Funkos from, I think, maybe an advent calendar. I've had good luck selling Nightmare Before Christmas Funkos like this for about $3 at my booth, so I thought I'd pick them up and give them a try. There's all kinds of them in there. Cute little gingerbread man. There's a Goofy in there too. Who doesn't like Goofy? But yeah, I think it was a pretty good first garage sale. My first real Saturday out hitting garage sales this year. So I plan on continuing it, and I plan on uploading some more garage sale content to the channel here. So before we end today's video, we do need to thank channel members. As always, thank you so much. If you would like to become a channel member, you can go to my YouTube homepage and sign up directly there. And if you don't want to, if you just want to watch these videos for the pure enjoyment of it, or to get an idea of things maybe you could pick up at yard sales, or maybe just to criticize me on what I don't pick up at these garage sales, I appreciate it. Anyway, if you guys do like videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more content, and we'll see you guys soon.